parka. Oh! God. Well, the seatbelt works. Brakes work.
And I would be willing to share our final day with you. If you possibly accept. If you don't, then the entire experiment.
What did they run the light?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, how do you know that it's officially broken up then?
How did it work? Because I told him I broke up with him.
You told him?
Yeah. What was that? Somebody just hit a car.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what?
I wonder if it's their car. They were just walking over to it. I saw that car backing up, so I was like, he's going really fast and he's not slowing down. Is it their car? Oh my god.
Oh my. Somebody just hit a car.
Oh no, it's not their car. Hold on, what's he about to do? What's he about to do?
I'm just backing up, acting like nothing happened. Was it that car?
That truck just backed into this car. Now he's getting in his car, and what's he about to do? Tell me he's not just pulling away.
I'm about to go chase him. I'm gonna jump him.
Lots of question marks. Robinson, I'm still okay, my love, but am stuck in Orem, that's Utah, for a little while longer yet. Shouldn't be long until I can come home, but I gotta grab my rifle still. To be honest, I had hoped to keep this secret till I died of old age. I am sorry to...
That was the one with the kid fell. Like, I was like, no, don't do it.
Over here, are you?
No.
Are you started?
Dial by name, dial by number, redial, callback, phone book, and setup.
Mi leche.
Diseñado para esparcir su semen. Es el hombre el que puede tener varios hijos con varias mujeres. No te estoy diciendo que hagas esto, pero te estoy hablando de no te estoy diciendo que hagas esto. Te estoy mostrando lo que dice.
Kidding me? Idiot. Sakes, man.
You almost got run the hell over.